If the foot underneath your big screen TV is only a third as wide as the TV itself, how big should the furniture be that you buy to support that TV? I'm Doug Walker. Welcome to the Roominess Design Files. When you're looking at furniture to support your big screen television, it really should be as wide as the television itself, not just the foot that supports the television. It's a question of scale and proportion, and just what we visually see and what feels like visual weight of the TV itself. It wants to be supported, in our mind's eye, by a wider piece of furniture underneath it. The same thing is true even if you're hanging the TV on the wall. If you have a piece of furniture, a table or a stand underneath it, have that table or stand be as wide as the TV or wider. If you know somebody who should see this video, or to up your interior design game, hit the share and subscribe buttons below. Thanks for watching.